Barak Yahweh, Barak Shai, Kal Halayim, La Yahweh, Basham Shai, Bashak Dash, allow for the teach to read the day for the reduction. It's going to be Isaiah 13:6. Wisdom, skill, which 9 times, and knowledge, which understanding, which my shog, should be split at times, and strength of aspiration of fear, of such treasure. Because fear is what is Hebrews 10:7. His understanding, his wisdom. It says in Job 28, behold the fear, which has wisdom to depart from the understanding. It says in scripture, the ways of my shock is laid is the one them for his name. Fear not with the flock, fear the well, and he should come, not he will not tarry. Fear not, he that will come, not tarry. I just look by faith, put my job back with some pleasure in him. Beyond the temptation, so it was sin, lazy on type of sin, but then believing saving our souls. Which is 1 Timothy 4:12. Now it says youth, it says miraculous youth. Curious how much my shug. Believe the example of believers in word, conversation, charity, purity, spirit, faith, purity. So I come, give attention to recitation doctrine. Neglect this gives anything, which can prophecy. We went home happy pepistry. So it's hard pass or more house pass bar, pass recall. These things. So it's not perfect for all. Taking on this of my doctrine, telling them from doing this. It's not sure to see yourself in the hearing. So once again, Proverbs 22:6. It says right here, show I wish go. Crossing to is 1. A good name I have chosen, rather than great riches, and one favor rather than gold and silver, or silver and gold. Show I wish go when he's young. Seeking faith is my shock, when he was only apart from it. That's a book of once again. Detail ball, definition from the great control.